Today in this video, we're going to take a look at how to create the revealing text animation. As always, get yourself into After Effects and right-click in the empty area. Go to New and get yourself a text layer. You want to type in your text, and of course we're going to center this so it's in the middle, but we also want to hold Control. And then double F-click on the anchor point. So this will align the anchor point to the center of the text. Once done that, we're going to also align the text in the middle of the screen. You can then go ahead and click on your text layer and press P position. You want to click on the stopwatch, and with the first keyframe, you want to move this one further out. So this is going to be the original one. You then want to edit the second one and move this one to the right, and this will make it slide down. So make it something like 900. You then want to left click and drag this out to highlight both of the keyframes. Right click on one of them, go down to Keyframe Assistant and go to Ease. This will basically make the animation really smooth, and it'll look something like this. We want to go over to the shapes and get yourself a shape which is the same height as your text or even higher. Make sure you've got plenty of room. And once you've done that, you can go over to the text layer where it says None right here. Now if you don't see this button, you can click on the modes and this will switch it over to the mode. So make sure it's on this one. And you want to click in here and set it to the one that will say Shape Layer 1. So what this will do is it'll make it so that the text is invisible until it reaches the shape layer. So if we have a look at this video right now, you'll see that the text will reveal itself once it is inside the shape. And that is basically your sliding text effect. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.